I'm just sitting here at the Circle K right here on 441. We got some folks that watch our channel here. Tell them your name there.
My name's Randy.
Randy?
I'm Angela.
And Angela. They watch it every night. We sure do appreciate it.
What do we have here? A visitor. My flower basket fell again. That thing keeps falling.
That thing is old.
Is it? Is that why it keeps falling? Okay, y'all. The moment you've been waiting for. Just kidding. I'm not sure if anybody's been waiting for it, but we're gonna taste test these pizzas that we got from Aldi. A few people have asked about them. We have the smokehouse pizza and spicy bacon cheeseburger. The thin crust one only takes 9 to 11 minutes, so we'll get it in here first. These are both, yeah, Mama Cozy's, both Mama Cozy's pizzas. And I'm putting them on a pan just because I don't want to get the bottom of the oven all dirty. Okay, smokehouse. I think this one's really good. It's the barbecue sauce has a really good flavor that's on there. I like the crust, everything's good. I would definitely get this one again. The kids are wanting to try the cheeseburger one. It's still in the oven, it's almost done. It has a little bit of a strange smell to it, we'll see. It's spicy bacon, was it spicy bacon cheeseburger? Cece's trying the barbecue one, good? Yeah, that one's really good. This one, we're gonna let it cool a minute, and then we'll try it. Ready? The sauce on this one is a little tangy, like it's a really tangy, was it barbecue sauce? Tyler already threw the box away, I can't remember what it said, but it's very tangy. The ground beef on here though, I like it. It's what's spicy, it's really good. And the cheese is good, crust, everything else. The sauce, it's just a little tangy. We probably wouldn't get this one again only because we don't care much for the sauce, but the other one is really good. We're heading into Nora Mill Granary. In the baskets. I do want to get some grits while we're in here too. They have big bags of cornmeal. Big bags of cornmeal. We tried this Mountain Morning Mix before. It's really good. Grandpa's favorite, fine yellow cornmeal. Buckwheat pancakes, 3 grain. We got pecan. Oh, we got some pecan the other day from that other place.
Yeah, let's get some
apple pie and blackberry. Yeah, blackberry.
Blackberry.
Now we tried the white speckled. They call that Georgia ice cream, you know. They also have, they have Dixie ice cream, yellow speckled, apple peach crisp mix, gravy mix, orange cranberry scones, almond biscotti, lemon squares. Oh, here's some chips. What we got? Retro potato chips, fried pork rinds. These are pork rind poppers, just like how you pop popcorn, you pop pork rinds.
Let's try that.
Yeah. Takes ground corn to the 3rd floor. Let's see. Farmhouse all-purpose cleaners over here. Sage and juniper, tangerine mint, fresh white lilac, lavender, and lemon verbena. Also laundry softener and laundry soap. Let's see, we got apple. Hey, didn't you want apple butter? I think we have some at home, don't we? Okay.
This morning we didn't use it.
We forgot about it on our toast, yeah. What is this over here? I don't think I've ever seen this before. Oh, vanilla chai. Tea, different teas. Monkey butter. What's monkey butter? Sugar pineapple. Water, bananas. Man, we need to try some monkey butter.
Look at that. That's an old wood plate.
Yeah.
I like that.
Chocolate pecan pie in a jar. Apple cobbler. I think we tried the apple cobbler one time, didn't we? It was good. I can't remember if it was from here, but we tried apple cobbler in a jar before from somewhere.
It was good.
Remove lid, microwave jar for 1 minute, pour contents into large mixing bowl. You add some butter and eggs. Yeah, and then you put it into a pie shell. Do you think Christoph's Caramel Corn and Coffee is still open? I forever wanted to try that caramel corn from Christoph's. We got the train coming!
if you go to Paul's right there, you want to get a steak. Okay, that's what you want to get if you go to Paul's. Make sure you get a steak.
Right.
Now, if you go to Cowboys and Angels, they got a lot of good stuff.
Yeah, pretty much anything you get on that, except for that peach thing you got that one time you did not enjoy.
Well,
that's a very different.
You know,
yeah.
That's me. It could be that somebody else really likes that. But now the Big Daddy's, in my opinion, is probably the best food.
Right, and we have that video. I'll link it down below for y'all where we just went there first the other day, and we've been there a couple times since. It's very good.
Yeah, there's some nice little places to eat over here, though. I mean, you can see these people are eating down here near the river. There's a nice river here.
I would say Big Daddy's even tops Cowboys and Angels.
Yeah, I would too.
I think it's open. I think I see the open sign at Kristoff's. Caramel corn.
Now, this will be the first time we've ever been in here, folks.
Yeah. Caramel corn and coffee on the river.
Our Bavarian pretzel has pretzels and milk chocolate. Our deluxe has the Bavarian added the crushed peanuts and pecans.
I definitely know I want to get the old-fashioned deluxe. They have a really nice seating area back here.
Very nice.
I didn't get a coffee this
I'm
time.
not going to open these packs up just yet.
Yeah, we'll just do our samples, yeah. This is the old-fashioned. It's really good.
What do I got?
Deluxe. Okay, so here's where the Kristoff's place was, y'all. If you park back here at Wildwood parking or right there, Kristoff's is right over there. Some of these back shops, you know.
You don't know they're there.
Right. This is Wildwood. We took y'all there a couple of weeks ago. They have nice things in there, lots of rustic decorations and stuff like that. And after you cross the bridge here, up there is the mountain coaster.
Me and Fallon might ride down.
Oh no. Y'all, he always tries to get me on that thing. I am a chicken. I would even proudly wear the shirt. I am a chicken.
That's actually a really good one right there. I mean, it's smooth.
It is smooth. Yeah, I've been on it how many times? Once or twice?
I've been on it several times.
Here's how chicken I am. None of the kids want to ever ride with me. They always would pick to ride with Titus because he would go fast. This is a little adventure golf course, but we think it's closed, y'all. I mean,
I don't think they're closed, baby. They just, nobody's there but him. They gotta be hungry.
They look it. Last stop, Betty's Country Store. Punch bug, no punchbacks.
Yeah.
We've already passed them like 3 times. I got you every time.
It's the same punch bug too, I think. Yeah. She's beat me to death over that one punch bug.
Yeah. We're looking for things for the live tonight. If y'all missed it, we'll link it down below. Dried apple. I've tried dried apple before. Well, I mean, you know, if you hadn't.
No, I have. I was just, being safe, I knew I liked it.
Fried okra. Oh, these are like freeze-dried. Now, we've tried freeze-dried okra before. It was pretty good.
The other day.
Yeah, it was pretty good. What about, do they got any moon pies we've never tried? They've got mint, banana.
I've never eaten any of the mint, but
vanilla.
I've eaten vanilla.
You have? Okay. They have a Stewart's Key Lime. Dr. Enough? What is that? Enough is enough?
Well, enough's enough.
Rich in vitamins. Is it just water? I'm not sure.
Enough's enough, it is.
I'm not sure. What about Hank's grape soda?
Okay.
We've never tried Hank's. We'll do the key lime and grapes Hank. I mean Hank's.
What in the world? Enough is enough of that.
Okay.
Man, I almost got pulled into this thing.
Take you back in time.
The time machine.
They have a peanut butter cookie. Look how huge they are.
Need instructions.
Do you want to try some caramel corn? We have old fashioned or deluxe mix. These are really pretty. This is the little thing Cece got from Aldi. The markers that came with it, she's got them out right now, but they're scented. Also, the stickers are scented, right?
Yeah, they all smell like banana.
This is the deluxe mix. It has pretzels and different kinds of chocolate and caramel, and then this one is just old-fashioned caramel corn. Did you try it, Manny? He's still working on that box. We're gonna see if we have anything happening with the yellow pear tomato seeds and just check on everything else. Look at the butternut squash. We've got pumpkin sprouting over here. Strawberries looking good, Sissy. I love the way tomato plants smell. Chili peppers are looking good. I'm still not sure about that serrano there. It's not wanting to get any bigger. If it is serrano, like I said, it might be banana. Looks more like the banana pepper plant, doesn't it? That's the banana, and that's serrano. That looks more, but I know that I picked up 2 serranos. I saw it. I don't know what happened, but that's looking like a banana pepper plant. It looks just like that one, unless we got the tags confused, but I don't think we did. All right, y'all, it's a long time later now, and it's gotten kind of chilly around here. That wind blew in some cold temperatures. It's for real. It's pretty chilly. I'm looking for, we got some blackberry syrup in the morning. We're gonna have blackberry pancakes, and yeah, here it is. Forgot where I put it. We're gonna use this blackberry syrup that we got today at Normill Granary. Guess that's all I have to sit out for tonight. I just like to go ahead and get, get stuff prepared for breakfast, even if it's just sitting this out. It motivates me. Not sure why. I guess because I already have a plan. Anyway, it's supposed to be a pretty one tomorrow. A little bit on the chilly side, but pretty.